Look at you, baby.
Where you going?
John, where you going? Jonathan Michael. Jonathan Michael. Where are you going?
No, no, no. Just what they need up there.
Uh-oh.
That's right now. She does. She's so fun.
Look at you.
And she's good with people. Hi.
You gonna say hi?
She is good with people.
Oops.
Oh, you just popped
What's
your knee.
that? What's down there? What's down there? It's like, I'll go this way, you come this way, I go that way. Go see your Nona.